Hey guys, so it is August 1st, 2023, and here I am sitting outside once again. I'm not having a yard sale. Today I'm actually out trying to get some angel card readings done. So I'm sitting out pretty close to the road. I'm drinking my Amare happy juice, and once again I feel full of motivation and determination, and it gives me just the right amount of energy. I have been falling asleep by usually 10 or 11 o'clock at night, but 12 at the latest. And it is absolutely amazing because I haven't been able to sleep like that since I was 11 years old. This stuff, once again, it is for balancing out the serotonin and dopamine in your gut. So if you have anything going on with your serotonin or dopamine in your gut or your brain, I would highly recommend it because there's a large connection between the serotonin and dopamine in your gut and the serotonin and dopamine in your brain. If the serotonin and dopamine in your gut aren't functioning properly, they're not going to function properly in your brain because 90% of your serotonin is produced in your gut and 70% of your dopamine is also produced in your gut.